It ain't always the cowboy. Ain't got a lot of hang around. Ain't got no settle down in their boots. Goes just to what they do. That restless running, searching for something, leaving love in the dust of a midnight Chevrolet. It ain't always the cowboy that rides away. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Bites Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Ain't Always the Cowboy by Jon Pardi. The song is in standard tuning and doesn't have a capo on it, so it's super easy to play, and the chords are super easy, so it's a strumming pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the strumming pattern for it. I'm going to show you the chords and then where you play them. There's palm muting in this song as well, although you don't have to. That's definitely the way that it's being played on the album. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, by the way. I'm not sure if Jon Pardi plays the guitar typically when he performs or on the albums and stuff, or if they just have a band doing it. It would make sense if he's playing it because this song is incredibly easy to play and sing at the same time, and so are most of his songs. So let me know if you guys have other requests, because this was a song that was requested. Let me know in the comments, and yeah, let's get to it. So what we're going to do is you're going to use the A chord, all right? A, middle finger, all right, on the 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky goes on the B string, excuse me, forgot that for a second, on the B string of the 2nd fret, okay? You can also play it, you can just kind of bar it like that if you want. It's up to you, whatever's easier. Okay, you're going to use E next. All right, so E, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. All right, and then your pointer finger, all right, goes on the 1st fret on the G string. All right, then you're gonna use F sharp minor, okay? So you're gonna start on the E string, the big E string on the 2nd fret, and you're gonna bar the whole thing. If you have a hard time barring it, just try to bar it anyway, and it's okay, like if you can't play the bottom ones, you don't have to for this song, all right? But it will help you down the road to at least be trying to, all right? If you really can't and it like hurts your hand, just put just kind of do it more arched, all right? On your pointer finger. Then you're gonna put so that's on the 2nd fret on the big E string, then you're gonna put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string, all right? Just like that, okay? And then you're also going to do the D chord. All right, D, pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the, if you can see like that, goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string. All right. There is one more chord you can use for this song. You don't really have to. It's A over D. So instead of doing all of A, you do the same thing, but you just don't put down your middle finger, okay? So you don't have to use that for the song, but I'll show you where you can, okay? So now, the way that this song starts is you're gonna do this. This is not palm muting right here. You do palm mute later, but you do it open to start. You do A, you just do down, 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 down. Then you do E, E, down, 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 F sharp minor, down, 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 D, down, 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 down. Okay, so you just do A, E, F sharp minor, D, and then you're gonna go into the verse. All right, so then when you do the verses, and I would recommend this for all the verses, well, for the 1st and 2nd verses, okay? You're gonna use this part of your hand, you're gonna palm mute. You're gonna put that as close as you can right to that white part, okay? Not on it, but right next to it. If you do it on it, it's not gonna be, I mean, I guess it'll kind of do it, but not quite enough. But if you're too far up, if you're up here, it sounds bad. So the closer, notice you get down there, the better it sounds, so. Okay, so that's palm muting. So you want to mainly hit the bass notes, okay? So the deeper sounding notes, all right, for you guys that are totally new. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that A, and it's just down, 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 down. And then you're gonna repeat that, all right, for the verse, but you're gonna palm mute it. So you do down, 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 down. You do her hands. Hands is where you do A and where you start palm muting. her hands wrapped up in mine. Tears, okay, tears is E, tears rolling out of her eyes, okay? And then you're gonna do, after eyes you do, no messin', messin' is F sharp minor, messin' with a made up mind, sun settin', okay? Sun settin', settin' is gonna be D, settin' on goodbye, yeah it's hard, okay, you do hard is A, hard to believe, okay? Hard to believe. So you're gonna switch quicker here. You're gonna do hard to believe it wasn't me. So you do believe is E, believe it wasn't me. Okay, so me is F sharp minor. Me trying to leave this. Okay, so on this you do D this time. Then you're gonna do the A. Then here's where you would do A over D. You don't have to, you could just do A, but I think it sounds better if you do A over D. So A over D is just like that. This time, it ain't always the cow. Okay, so on Cowboy is where you're gonna start doing A. Now the chord progression, all right, I'm gonna walk you through the chord progression for the chorus. It's mostly the same, but it's not exactly the same as the verse, okay? So you're gonna do, it ain't always the cowboy. See, on Cowboy is where you put that finger down and you do A. Cowboy, that ain't got a lot of. Okay, then after a lot of, you're gonna do E. Hang around, ain't got no saddle. And notice I'm not palm muting here, so you palm mute for the verses but not the chorus. All right. Ain't got no saddle. Saddle is F sharp minor. Settle down in their boots. Then D. Gone's just what they do. So you do D like in between boots and gone. Gone's just what they do. And you do A after, right before you do that restless. That rest. Okay, rest is A. Restless, running, searching. Okay, searching is E. Searching for something. Then after something you do F sharp minor, okay? Leaving love in the dust of a midnight Chevrolet. Okay, Chevrolet is where you do D. Chevrolet, it ain't all. Okay, then always is where you're gonna do A. Always the cowboy that rides. Okay, on like the second half of rides, you're gonna do D. Rides away. You're gonna do this for longer, okay? You're extending D. And you do I never sing. Okay, then you start palm muting again and on A. So notice the chorus goes A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, and then it just goes A, E, D. All right. And the second verse is going to be the same as the first one, A, E, F sharp minor, D. All right. The second verse is way shorter than the first one, and they did a lot in songs. Then when you're doing the chorus the second time, the only difference is you're gonna do it ain't always. All right. The cowboy. So you do A, E, and then you're gonna do that rides away. Now on rides away is where you're gonna do F sharp minor instead of D. That rides away. Okay, because then the instrumental part here you're gonna do D, A, E. Okay. A tumbleweed. Okay, a tumbleweed heart. Heart is where you're gonna do F sharp minor. Heart chasing that. Okay. That wind is gonna be E. Wind. Going to. Okay, 2 is D. Too far. Wherever that is. It ain't always the cowboy. So for that last chorus, all right, when you do, as the cowboy, you're gonna palm mute it for the first half because that's what he does. All right, so it gives the song some variety and stuff. But yeah, the song is not hard to play at all. It's super easy. For the last time when you play the outro, you're just gonna do the A, E, F sharp minor, D. Okay, so you do that, and then you're just gonna end on A. Something like that. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.